Let's now try to understand how to solve and check algebraic equations where we have combination of operations. The examples before you have addition, subtraction and multiplication involved. So we will see one by one how to solve them. First one is 2x plus 1 equals to 7. Now we need to solve means find the value of x so that left side is equal to the right side. Now very first step should be to get rid of the number 1, the constant, which is in addition to the variable term. So to get rid of plus 1, we should add minus 1 on both sides. So the first step should be, we should do 2x plus 1 minus 1 equals to 7 minus 1, correct? So when you do that, you are left with 2x on the left side and 7 minus 1 is 6, which is on the right side. So you get 2x equals to 6. By subtracting minus 1 from both sides, rather by adding minus 1 or subtracting 1 from both sides, we eliminated 1 and we got 2x. Do you see that? Now we need to eliminate 2. It is 2 times x equals to 6. So if we divide by 2, we can eliminate 2, right? So we have 2x. So if we divide by 2 on both sides, what do we get? We get x equals to 3. So we'll do 2x divided by 2 equals to 6 divided by 2. And that gives us the answer. So the answer for this question is x equals to 6 divided by 2, which is 3. So x equals to 3 is our answer, correct? So these are the steps to be followed. Let's do it once again. Follow all these steps for part B. So first step, as you saw, we have to get rid of the number. Now question part B is 3x minus 2 equals to 13. So what should I do here? I should add to both sides, correct? Adding to both sides means writing it like this. 3x minus 2 plus 2 equals to 13 plus 2, right? Now minus 2 plus 2 is 0, so you get 3x equals to 13 plus 2 as 15. Now we should divide by 3. So we'll divide by 3 and get 3x divided by 3 equals to 15 divided by 3. We get our answer now. 3 and 3 cancel out. That means 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times x is x. So we get x equals to 15 divided by 3, 5. So that is our answer. So we got our answer in first two questions. Now let's see how to check the answer, right? To check the answer, we have to substitute x equals to 3, the solution, in the equation and see if left side equals to right side. Now in any equation, this is equal to sign, which will always be there in any equation, right? Now left side is the left side of equal to and right side is right side of equal to. If I substitute 3 here, what do I get on the left side? 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1. I get 2 times 3 plus 1. This is my left side, right? Which is 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 and I get 7, right? And 7 is also on the right side. Therefore, I've checked that my solution is correct. That is how you will check it. Can you help me checking the part B? We got x equals to 5 as our solution. Now let's try to check it. 3 times 5 is how much? 15. 15 minus 2 is 13. So that's correct. So we do 3 times 5 minus 2. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 minus 2, which is 13. That's correct. 13 is the right side, right? So you start with one side, in this case left side, and you land up with a number which is on the right side. If you get exactly the same number, that means your solution is correct and you have checked for it, okay? That's what we mean by solving and checking. Now I will solve the next question and it will be up to you to check it. We got 5x minus 3 equals to 17 for part C. First step, let's get rid of minus 3. So what we can do here is, now this time I'll show you with a different technique. That is, I will add 3 both sides, right? Add 3 both sides. If I add 3 both sides, which I could write like this also, I get 5x equals to 17 plus 3 as 20, right? Now what will I do? I'll divide by 5 both sides, right? Since I have to get rid of this 5. And when I do that, I get x equals to 20 divided by 5 as 4. So I get x equals to 4. Now let's check it. To check, what should we do? We have to prove left side equals to right side. Now, in the left side, we have 5x minus 3. So let's start with left side. So left side is 5 times x is 4. 5 times 4, I'm putting it in brackets. Minus 3. This is my left side. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 minus 3. And now 20 minus 3 is equals to 17. That is equals to right side. So we have checked that left side is equals to right side. Correct? So that is how we do it. D. 4n minus 2 equals to 10. Now, here we'll adopt the method shown here. That is 4n minus 2 will add to both sides. So I can write 4n minus 2 plus 2 equals to 10 plus 2. That means we added 2 on both sides. Correct? It is as good as writing like this, plus 3 plus 3. But this is kind of better. Now, minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So we are left with 4n equals to 10 plus 2 as 12. Now let's divide by 4 on both sides. So we get 4n divided by 4 equals to 12 divided by 4. Now what is 4n divided by 4? 4 and 4 cancel out. That means we are left with n. So we get n equals to 12 divided by 4 is 3. N equals to 3 is our answer. Now check it yourself. If you put n as 3, you get 3 times 4 as 12. 12 minus 2 is 10, which is the right side. Correct? Now last 2 questions, I want to leave them for you. What you need to do is take away 1 first. So when you take away 1, minus 1, you'll get 10y equals to 10. Then you divide by 10, you'll get y equals to 1. That is your solution. In this case, take away 3. So you get 7x plus 3 minus 3 equals to 17 minus 3. Now plus 3 minus 3 is 0. So you're left with 7x equals to 17 minus 3, which is 14. Now when you divide by 7 on both sides, you get 2 as your x. So your solution should be x equals to 2, right, in this case, and y equals to, see the variable is y here, okay, y equals to 1 in this case. Do it yourself and check your answer. Is it the same? Once you get that answer, check whether this answer is correct or not. Hope you have learned this technique of solving and checking algebraic equations. We'll test it out with a small test. Okay? So take the test and then be sure that you know it. Thank you and all the best.